our channel. We're going to do unboxing the OMG dolls. This time is the OMG lights. That means that they glow in the dark.
Yeah, me too.
And doll is named Dazzle. And Marceline is
Pizza.
Speedster. Named Speedster. Let me read the back. It says, OMG, we sisters invite all our fabulous BBs to the event of the season. It's light camera fashion as we hit the neon carpet in our boldest and brightest looks. Get ready to glow, cause when the black lights hit, we'll reveal outrageous glowing surprises. We have the pool here.
So let's open it. They look alike.
Okay. Do rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No.
Okay. Okay, come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I get to open it first. Right here.
Oh my team.
Open it. You open it there.
So I open her. Oh my team.
Oh my G.
My team.
Okay, I need the scissors. Okay. And then we got this one. This is a Dazzle, and this is Speedster. Now I'm gonna open Dazzle stuff. This is her black light so she can glow. And then we have her glasses. This is one of her clothes.
I don't know what the hell it is. Or not.
Okay.
It's her shirt.
No.
It's her shirt.
Okay, let's see that. Okay. This is for her arms. Her top. Her shirt. And then her top of the shirt. And then her nails is neon. And then her skirt has neon and pink and some little glitter. And then her shoes, it goes like little glitter on her shoes, and it's like with the yellow in the back of her side. Her hairstyle in the back.
Like this. So let's open it. So has the same thing like Marcelina. I have orange one. Like Joe's have these things. That's your favorite.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So we have some earrings. Then we have these. I don't know what it is. These are the watches. Look at the glasses. It's orange. Then her shoes. Then her curly hair and her pinks. Then she have her little jacket and her under her thing is another one. Then her little pants. Then her orange shoes with the white things. Then her gloves for her nose, her gloves. And stuff like a thing. I don't know, but it's dirty right here. Put it up there.
We get them ready, and they're beautiful. Now we're gonna show you how they're gonna look and to glow in the dark. Let's go. We're in here and look at this beautiful girl.
Look at them. You have to do that. You see her hair. Her hair is so pretty. And
You
look
see
at,
that
and look at,
it glows in the dark.
and look at,
And
look
then
at this.
her glasses.
And look at this side. Look at her brown door on the
Oh,
back.
and her shoes.
And even shoes. Everything.
And then
Even
this is her shoes.
This thing just never turned on. It does.
Wait, does her eyebrows glow? No.
Look at
Mine's were glowing.
Look
BB.
at
That was so beautiful.
look at dark green.
Look, see? Makeup and her freckles. Wait a minute. What? It says neon glow.
Let me try it.
Neon glow. Cool. And her lipstick is glowing.
Oh my gosh. Look at you haven't seen the dark. Look at it's glow in the dark. And look at this. It's so beautiful.
This was my doll. She was so cute. I really like how her eyebrows glow in the dark. It says neon glow. And I like her freckles when it glows from orange
She's so beautiful.
hearts. Done with this video. I hope you like the OMG dolls lights.
Because mine is
It
so
glow in the dark. It was very pretty.
tired.
Like, subscribe, and share. Bye, guys.
Peace.
Peace.
Yes,